Good day, paint pouring community. I'm going to do a quick dip with this nice, I'm just putting a piece of the plastic that I have just down on this card for now. I suppose I better put some gloves on. Oh, how hopeless those gloves are. I've just ripped off the finger, just pulling one out of its little... I'm going to be using the pre-made pouring paints to see what a dip works out like with the pre-made pouring paints on a black canvas that I've already painted black. So my little canvas is here ready to be dipped. So look at me, I've got in a mess before I start. So I will use the Mont pre-made pouring paints. I get them, the online supplier. At the bottom of my page there's a little icon there that shows you. So I'm just going to try. It's good because you can pour directly from the bottle. So that was the white, and this one is the turquoise. Yep. So I just want to try something with them, see how this turns out. I love the red with turquoise, as you've probably seen in a lot of my previous videos that I've done. So this is just that little piece of plastic file divider that I normally use for swiping, and these are the pre-made pouring paints, so ideal for anybody that doesn't want the mess of making up paints or buying pouring medium and glues and or what do I call it, silicone. So I'm going to put some of the little gold metallic that I have, maybe try and put that around the edges just a little bit. A bit weird at the minute, doesn't it? Always experimenting, always trying to find new things to show you, and then hopefully you can have a go at these too. So this is a lovely magenta. You always just give them a really good shake, but they really, I'm quite amazed that they go such a long way for such a small bottle. Like I said, you can really actually make these go even further by adding your Mont pouring medium to them. Makes them go even further. Wow, isn't that a gorgeous little bit of colours? Okay, I've got my canvas that's already got black on it. I'm going to put a bit more. Black, 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 black. Black is back. Oh, okay. That's on my shoe. It's not good. Yeah. Just about ruined every item of clothing that I have because I've got 3 aprons there, but when it's hot I don't want to put an apron on top, and then I always don't bother going in to get changed into painting gear. I just wear whatever I have on. Not good. Good excuse to go buy more clothes. That's what it's good for. Okay. Not that I need any, but I'm just gonna dip. Ideally, it would be better that you didn't do that with your black hands, because if you're selling this canvas, you won't want to see all that there. So probably best to wash your hands off before you start doing this, this part of the procedure. I haven't taped the back of this canvas, which is a shame because then that's what makes it all messy, but you can, if you sell it, cover it up at the end. So let's see what we get. This black, got it everywhere. Might just give it a twist, should I? No, it's still twisting. Ooh, wow. Wowee, that looks cool. Look how nice that looks. I think I'm going to let that dry on there for a skin. Not that I use the skins, but I want to see what it dries like. But I really like that on the black. Wowee. That's quite stunning. And you know what? I'm not going to do a thing except add a bit of heat to it just to see. I don't really want cells, but I'm just... Ooh, that really stands out. That's really effective. Probably would have been nice if I swooshed it right over here, but that is so effective on that black. That's really nice. I'm gonna take you down. Oh yes, that's so gorgeous. Simple, yes. Very easy for you to do. You could absolutely do that. These Mont pre-made pouring paints make it so easy and quick to make some lovely pieces of art for Christmas coming up. Hate to remind you all, but look at all these gifts you could be making. Most people do love handmade, homemade gifts of this quality, they would. So there's another little gift idea for you all. So thank you for watching again. Please subscribe to my channel. If you want to join me on my Acrylic Art by Julie Cube Facebook page, you're more than welcome. And watching my videos, you'll always get lots of tips and tricks, and I'm continually experimenting on different products and styles, techniques. So thank you for watching.